This was the magic sound of the Nikon F2 shutter. If you want to hear more on the sound of this camera, stay tuned in this video. Thank you. This is the legendary Nikon F2. Today in this video we will let you hear some of its sounds and uncover a couple of secrets of this fantastic camera. So the Photomic Viewfinder can be detached and substituted with other accessory. Here you see this is a perfect mechanical viewfinder with a TTL lenses inside. The camera is full metal, it's made of completely on metal. So the viewfinder can be mounted again very easily on the top. Just pressure the viewfinder and that's it. You see here a lot of leverage. This is the shutter to make the selfie. At that time there was no possibility to make in another way a selfie. With this button you control the depth of field. This is to release the lens, and here are the ISO control and the shutter speed here in this place. I have two body, one with the lens here, and just to let you hear you the It's very nice to hear the sound of this camera when it's shutting the long time shutting. Also with a very short time, the mechanical shutter is always ready. And here you can really put the right exposure with the So here you can adjust the focus of the lens. Here this is a 50mm 1.4 maximum aperture, and you can control the exposure here. So I loved this camera when I was young, and when I have the opportunity, I bought two of these, and now I am enjoying and try to If you have comments or you want to ask something about this marvelous camera, please add here in the comments and I will be happy to answer you. Thank you so much and stay tuned on Movie Box. Bye. Ciao.